Hey guys, this video is going to show you how to downgrade your iPod Touch from a 1.1.2 to a 1.1.1 and how to jailbreak it to get the installer application and all of the iPhone apps. All you need for this is an iTouch, a connection to iTunes, the internet with iTunes, and make sure the Wi-Fi on the Safari works. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already have the installer application and downgraded my iPod Touch from a 1.1.2 to 1.1.1, but I'm still going to show you how to do all that and how to get the iPhone apps on there. So don't worry, it's all coming. To figure out if your iPod is a 1.1.2, 1.1.1, you just go to Settings, General, About, and go scroll down below Available, and it'll say version, and mine right now says 1.1.1, but yours probably will say 1.1.2 or 1.1.1 if you've taken this long to watch this video. The first thing you need to do to downgrade your iPod Touch is to get your hands on a iPod 1.1.1 firmware file. And to do that, you have to go to a website. It's called megaupload.com, and then you got the symbols on the side that you're going to need to type in to get the iPod information. But once you type all that in, oops, I gotta refresh my page. Yes, retry. And once you get to that, it'll have a mega upload, mega page, and it'll have your file name, your file size, and the description, iPod Touch 1.1.1 firmware. That's how you know if you're on the right file. And then you type in the little 3-letter symbol right on the top right hand corner. Ed. But then you wait 45 seconds and it'll have a download now button. Click that button and it'll download the file for you, extract everything. It'll get the 1.1.1 firmware on your computer to put in your iPod Touch. So it took a while. It took me about a half an hour to do it to mine, so be patient with it. And then when it's all done, you go to your iTunes, make sure your iPod is plugged in at this point, and go over to a couple buttons that say update and restore. On your iPod, on your iTunes, it might say check for updates, but once you get to this little thing, it'll see this in one or the other. But once you get to this, click or hold down the shift key and click that update button. Doing that gives you a little a tab of a bunch of things that you've done. Go to your desktop, go to your tab key, go to your desktop, and search for the little shortcut shortcut to iPod thing. It'll say shortcut to iPod 1, little hyphen thing, 1.1.1, and then a couple buttons, then it says restore. You're going to open that up, which I don't want to do because I've already downgraded it, so there'll be no point. But you're going to open that up, and it'll get all the files, and your iPod will be downgraded to 1.1.1. All you do is reset your iPod Touch to get it. And that's how you downgrade it from 1.1.2 to 1.1.1. Now that your iPod is downgraded, you need to make sure that it is downgraded. So all you need to do is turn it back on and go to your settings, general, about, and it should say 1.1.1 now. And once you get to that, you need to go to your Safari web browser. Load up, blah 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 blah, and type in at the top jailbreakme.com, jailbreakme.com. There it is. Go. It'll say, welcome to AppSnap. You are now ready to know that right. it'll, then you scroll down to the bottom, and it'll say install AppSnap. Right there at the very bottom. Install AppSnap. You can't really see it, but it's the very bottom one right there. So, you're going to click that button, and it'll install the application installer. Boom. Right? It'll install. I gotta get all the sources upside. But it'll install this installer that will get you the iPhone applications that you need to get your iPod working. And so once you get here, go to install. And what you need to do before you upload anything, oh look, iPhone apps, 1.1.1 apps. Click on 1.1.1 apps, and it's all your apps. You're gonna need to, before you upload any of these little things, you need to go to Google Map Prep and upload that, or install that first. Okay. And then go to Mobile Mail Prep and install that. Do not install any of the things before you install the preps. And then you can go around and install any one you want. Google Maps. Weather. And anything else you want to, it'll just click install every time and it'll install everything. Once you finish that, you click the home button and it'll give a little circular cursor thing, turn you to unlock it again. And if you look around there, you will have, like I have right there, I have my maps and my weather. Thanks for watching my video. I will be posting more videos on some other iPod stuff later, but thanks for taking time off my video.